Hi guys, this is Shashank Jain from Voodoo Interiors. We are an interior design studio based out of Noida and Kirti Nagar. So it was a 4 BHK flat in Mahagun My Woods. The super area of the flat was 1810 square feet and the carpet area was only 1200 square feet. So this is the entrance and the ceiling. We did an entrance ceiling and placed a light on top of it. So this is the foyer and the entry. So added solid wood rafters here with the lights to create a more ambient look. So this is the shoe rack, guys. So what we did was we added and created a space for this. There was no space, the gully was too small. So what we did is there was a room behind it and there was a TV unit on top of it. So we used this concept of clubbing the TV and shoe rack. So it's a shoe rack from the front and it's a TV unit at the back. That's how this unit has been generated, so that it creates more ample space to walk around and also gives the utility of the shoe rack. Guys, this is the view from the living room. So this is the main TV unit for the living room. So this is the view from the balcony. So now if you see, I've used some of the hanging lights and a decor on top to create a more decorated space. In our projects, what we do is we do not use too much of the false ceilings so that the height does not get reduced a lot. And I've also used track lights so that the light does not get reduced in the room, and it also enhances the decor element and gets the focus area better. So guys, this is the special panel which we've used at the back of the sofa. So the living room size was very typical and small. So what we did was we have divided the space into 2 and 3 parts. So one is the living area and second is the dining area. So kitchen is kept intentionally open. So the entire kitchen is handleless and we made it in high gloss finish. So this is the crockery unit. So if you see, guys, this is also not a false ceiling. So I've used rafters and lights on top to create a more openish feel and to give them more space in the dining area. So this is the mandir and the puja unit. It is specially covered. So the mandir shutters were specifically made and cut through, and there were bells which was placed on top of them. So below is the section for keeping extra stuff, whereas top section opens up and gives you the display of the idols. So guys, this is a wall right opposite to the kitchen, so I gave them simple wall moldings to give them more cleaner and a plainer look. So guys, this is a very special room for Shaurya. So this is a wallpaper and he's a football fan. So this is the same TV unit I was talking about earlier when we were doing the shoe rack. So this is the TV unit at the back and then there was a shoe rack at the top. So now if you see, the bottom unit also combines together to create a TV and a bottom storage shoe rack. So guys, this is the bathroom vanities. So rest everything was given by the builder, but what we did is we changed all the vanities. They were very typical pedestal vanities which you've generally seen. So this is another room which is called as guest room. So I've tried to keep them grayish and lighter colors. So this was an extra wardrobe, a full size wardrobe made for keeping extra stuff for the house. This was another vanity in the room, in the bathroom. So this is the parents' room. So what we did was we kept them pushing for a more modern space, whereas Mr. Bhatnagar was again pushing me for a more transitional space. So what we did is we made a combination out of it. So this is the side table. So if you see, there's a very less space, so we've added a slider wardrobe so that can be used well. So this is the TV unit for the parents. Matches up with the entire feel and the decor, and a dresser so that they can use all of their elements effectively. Yes, this is the main place of the house. This is the master bedroom for Shaurya. So if you see, what I did was we give them a more modern feel of the bedroom, where the bed back was made and two hanging lights on the side tables. Even the false ceiling is being made specially in wood. So if you see the designing of their side table or their wardrobe, everything was being done specifically to give you a more modern look. This was a wallpaper which we used at the back of the bed to enhance the feel of that particular area. Again, this is a marble laminate which I love it. This is a TV unit. So all the set-top boxes, everything is coming inside so that no wire, nothing is visible, and becomes more a cleaner look. So this is a dresser, guys, which we've used a very small space between the entry dresser and the balcony. So guys, this is the master vanity. If you see, this is pretty jazzy. So I remember one statement from Shaurya. What he says, Shashank, you made me invite guests, and he is happy inviting guests to his home because we did their interior so well. Thank you so much, guys. Shashank Jain, Voodoo Frame TV.